Hi guys, welcome back. So in this video, we'll be learning on how to add audio and video to our HTML documents. I'm sure we've come across some websites that has audios as their background elements instead of having an image. Some websites uses audio as their background, as a background. So in case you want to use audio for your background on your websites, we'll be learning that in this video. And also, maybe if you want to add an audio file to your HTML documents, we're also going to be learning that in this video. So let's get started. To do that, we'll need the video and the audio file in place, just like we did for our pictures. When we added pictures, we put the picture inside a folder, right? And then I think later on I explained that you can choose to put it inside a folder if you want to. And I removed it later on. The same thing applies to audio and video. You can choose to put it inside a folder, call it audio, video. And you can also choose to put the audio inside a folder, call it audio. But in this case, I did not put them inside a folder. I wanted to just stand alone. So to download any video, just go online and check for videos. Now, HTML supports, I think, 3 main video formats: MP4, OGG, and WAV. And then for the audio, it supports MP3 MIDI. So please ensure that the video you're downloading is as an MP4 format. All right, so I have my video here, kiddiesjoy.mp4, and I have my audio, strolling.mp3. So to get started, I'll use the video tab, which is video. So this tab is used to embed videos in your HTML documents. So once you've done that, you add some attributes here, which is autoplay, and then this also equals autoplay. And then there's other attributes called controls. Controls. So this is responsible for enabling you to pause, play, or skip the video. So controls. And then once you've done that, you move ahead to include the source tag. Okay, and then we'll put our src, which also represents source. Now, like I mentioned earlier, kiddiesjoy.mp4, the video is not inside the folder. If the video were to be inside the folder, I will use the name of the folder. Let's say I used to be video / then the name of the video. But in this case, I did not put the video inside the folder. So that's why I'm just writing it directly, kiddiesjoy.mp4. And then I'll put another attribute here called type. And video, the type of elements. The elements type is video, and then / the file extension, which is this MP4. So once you're done with that, your video should play. Once you have all this ready, your video should play. So let's check it out. All right, so here we have our video. Hi guys, 20 audio file and audio to your HTML document. Now, in the same way, let's add our audio. Now, it is the same thing. The only difference is that you're changing the format, the file extension. So this is also autoplay and autoplay, controls. And we are also adding the source, src, and the name of the audio, strolling.mp4. And then we also include the type. It says an audio file and / the file extension. So with this, our audio should play. So let's go back to browser and refresh. Okay, we didn't do something right. Oh, I wrote MP4 instead of MP3. That was my mistake. All right, so we have our audio file played in brightly here. So here you have it. Had a post and you believe the document. So I hope this was really easy to understand. This is all about it. Just include the attribute, the necessary attributes, and use the right video and audio formats. Like mostly for videos, we have file extensions like MP4, and MKV, and few others. At the same way for audio too, we have MP3 and few others, but use the one that is accepted. Use the format that is accepted by HTML. All right, so thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.